The most common causes of vision problems in school-age children are refractive errors. These errors interfere with the eye's ability to focus light on the retina, resulting in conditions such as myopia or nearsightedness, hyperopia or farsightedness, and astigmatism. Early detection is critical in preventing difficulties in development and learning. Here are some signs your child may need vision correction. Sitting close to the TV. Difficulty reading. Squinting. Rubbing eyes. Sensitivity to light. Frequent headaches. Unusually low grades. If your child has one or more of these issues, schedule an appointment with us. The sooner your child is tested, the sooner we may begin treatment, and the more successful it will be.